Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Linksys Velop WHW0101P dual band range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. The Linksys Velop WHW0101P is a dual-band whole-home mesh Wi-Fi extender designed to eliminate weak signal areas by expanding your existing Wi-Fi network. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the Linksys Velop WHW0101P dual-band mesh Wi-Fi extender box, you typically get the Velop plug-in node, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start/setup guide. These essentials allow you to quickly plug in the device, connect it to your existing Velop system, and begin expanding your home Wi-Fi coverage. Now plug the WHW0101P into a wall socket. Keep it close to your main router. Wait for the LED to turn solid purple. Open Wi-Fi on your phone/PC. Look for a network named Linksys XXXXX. Tap Connect. Open a web browser, Chrome/Edge/Safari. Type in the address bar, http://192.168.1.1 or http://myrouter.local. Press Enter. The Linksys Smart Wi-Fi Setup page opens. Click Manual Setup. Choose Add a Node/Range Extender. The system will search for nearby Velop routers. Select your existing Velop main router. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click Next. The extender will sync with the main router. Wait 2 to 5 minutes while it configures. Do not unplug during setup. The extender will copy Wi-Fi name, copy Wi-Fi password, update firmware, or optimize connection. When LED turns, solid blue means setup successful. Now unplug the extender. Place it halfway between router and weak signal area. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.